Welcome to the latest web-based fee management system of St. Mary's Orthodox School, conceived and developed by Suyog System and Software Private Limited in technical collaboration with Team eLOGiPay. Type the URL in blue on any browser of your choice. It will land you to this page. Now, enter your username and password. Your username and password will be your enrollment number. Enter the CAPTCHA code and then click on the Sign In button. It will land you to this page. It is recommended to change your password after your first login. You may do so by clicking on the Change Password option. Know your current outstanding fee by clicking on the Online Payment option. Click here to pay your outstanding fee. The total amount to be paid will appear on the screen right hand side. Now click on the Process Payment option in order to proceed. A payment confirmation warning will appear. Click on the Proceed option in order to proceed with the payment. You can pay using debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI or by generating QR code. Once you select the method of the payment, click on the Pay option. Once the payment is processed, a payment receipt and a success payment window will appear containing transaction number, invoice number and amount paid. Fee receipt gets generated. You will be able to view all your previous payments. You can also view the student's ledger statement. Now, you may proceed to log out by clicking on the Logout option. Thank you. In case of any queries, feel free to contact the support numbers mentioned in the bottom right corner.